Some people live day to day, while others plan and build for the future. Where do you want to see yourself in the next 10 years? Who do you aspire to become? Many of us haven't fully tapped into our potential. Some of us have settled, thinking we've made it just because we're comfortable. But financial stability alone doesn't mean you've built something lasting. To reach the top, you need to surround yourself with people who are already there. If you want to be a leader in your field, connect with those who have already achieved that status. I've had the fortune to learn from industry giants, and it has transformed my outlook from merely getting by to thriving over the long term. True success isn't just about making money, it's about making an impact and being relatable. Take Oprah Winfrey, for example. She didn't just host a TV show. She connected deeply with millions of viewers, becoming a trusted friend to them. Oprah transformed her ability to connect with people into a billion-dollar empire, but never get complacent. Success requires ongoing effort and vigilance. Empires can fall if not carefully maintained. The stories of many celebrities who lost everything are a testament to this truth. Shift your focus from small-scale operations to understanding and serving people. Whether they are your customers or employees, people are at the heart of every successful venture. Mastering people skills is essential for true leadership and success. Think about sports. Every top athlete has a coach guiding them. Tom Brady had Bill Belichick. Michael Jordan had Phil Jackson. Even the best need support and guidance. You add value to others, and they add value to you. Don't try to do everything alone. The smartest people recognize the importance of coaching and mentorship. Reflect on Tiger Woods' career. He excelled with the right guidance and struggled without it. Support and mentorship are crucial to achieving and sustaining greatness. Being unkind or difficult to work with helps no one, least of all yourself. Look at Charles Barkley and Shaquille O'Neal. Their success is built on their ability to connect with people. Barkley can say outrageous things because people love him. Shaq's presence is everywhere because he's genuinely likable. As you end your day, remember the power of connection, mentorship, and continuous self-improvement. Reflect on how you can better connect with others and keep growing. Because ultimately, success is about people, and investing in relationships is the key to building something that lasts. Subscribe to our channel for more motivational content and start your journey to success today.